Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the VMware Certified Professional 6 Desktop and Mobility Beta so you know exactly what to study and where to focus. This exam covers 7 domains with clear weights so you can plan study time. Install and configure Horizon Server components is 18%. Create and configure pools is 18%. Configure and manage VMware User Environment Manager is 14%. Configure and manage VMware App Volumes is 14%. Configure and manage VMware Mirage is 14%. Configure and manage VMware Horizon Security is 12%. And configure and manage Horizon Infrastructure Components is 10%. Install and configure Horizon Server Components is weighted at 18%, labeled medium difficulty, and estimated at 15 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn to determine hardware and software requirements and install and configure Horizon Connection Server as both standard and replica instances. Expect to configure license keys and the Horizon Events database, install the View Composer service, and set up View Composer databases and ODBC connections for linkage and management. Create and configure pools is also 18% and marked hard with around 20 hours of study and conceptual and scenario-based testing. This domain teaches life cycle management of automated and manual desktop pools including full virtual machines and linked clone configuration. You will configure RDS desktop and application pools, manage persistent and non-persistent desktops, enable 3D graphics rendering where needed, and handle pool assignments and entitlement policies in real-world scenarios. Configure and manage VMware User Environment Manager carries 14% weight, is medium difficulty with an estimated 12 hours of learning in both conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will deploy the UEM agent, configure Flex configuration files and profile archives, and set up the UEM management console and file shares. The domain also covers creating condition sets for policy enforcement, implementing personalization settings and shortcuts, and configuring application blocking and privilege management to control user environments. Configure and manage VMware App Volumes is 14%, medium difficulty, and estimated at 12 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based questions. Study installing and configuring App Volumes Manager and provisioning app stacks for users and groups, and learn to configure writable volumes to preserve user data. The domain also covers App Stack Lifecycle Management, storage groups and replication, and troubleshooting App Stack attachment and performance issues in production environments. Configure and manage VMware Mirage is 14%, rated hard with about 18 hours of study and conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will install Mirage management servers and gateways and manage centralized virtual desktop operations. Expect to build and manage base layers and app layers, perform endpoint migrations and hardware refreshes, configure file portals and restoration policies, and manage branch reflectors to optimize remote office performance. Configure and manage VMware Horizon with View Security is 12%, medium difficulty, and estimated at 10 hours with conceptual and scenario-based questions. This domain focuses on securing Horizon components by configuring SSL certificates, implementing security server and access point, and setting up role-based access control in Horizon Administrator. You will also configure smart card and multi-factor authentication, define firewall rules and DMZ placement, and manage security protocols and cipher suites for secure access. Configure and manage Horizon with View Infrastructure Components is 10%, rated easy with about 8 hours of study and conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will integrate Horizon with vSphere by configuring vCenter server users for Horizon operations and optimizing storage features like the View Storage Accelerator. Learn to configure virtual machine hardware for VDI performance. Use the Horizon Help Desk tool for monitoring. Tune Blast Extreme and PCOIP display settings, and monitor environment health via the Horizon Administrator dashboard. That wraps up the syllabus overview. Use the domain weights and estimated study times to build a study plan. Focus first on the 18% domains, and practice scenario-based tasks to prepare for the exam format.